Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix a game that keeps crashing after updating your graphics driver. First, download Display Driver Uninstaller, also known as DDU, from its official website. This tool completely removes your current graphics driver, including files and settings that may be causing the crashes. After downloading it, open DDU on your computer. Inside the program, choose your device type as GPU. Then select your graphics card brand, such as NVIDIA or AMD. Double-check that the correct option is selected before continuing. Now click Clean and Restart. DDU will remove the installed graphics driver and automatically restart your computer. Once Windows starts again, open your web browser and visit the official NVIDIA drivers or AMD drivers website, depending on your graphics card. Download an older driver version that is known to be stable instead of reinstalling the latest one. Many game crashes after an update are caused by new driver bugs, so going back to a previous version often solves the problem. Run the driver installer and complete the installation using the default settings. When it's finished, restart your computer if prompted. This should fix the problem. Thanks for watching.